Yeah. All I wanna be is your number one nigga one time.
So today I'll be showing you how the beat was made. I got this song from YouTube and I made it this. What I did is that I added some paramedic EQ. As you can see, I did this to them. I made a little mountain, and then I added some reverb. I didn't do too much on it. I just made it large and then decreased the knob. I don't know what you call that. Then I added some other EQ. So now that's why it sounds like that. On this 808, I added some fruity clipper, and then that's all. And also the kick, I added some fruity clipper. I mean, you don't need too much to do, you don't need so many effects, you just need those. I mean, I think you don't need a lot of plugins to make a trap beat. That's my opinion. Now here's the full beat.
Yeah. All I wanna